way luckier part. But first of all, let me tell you then. Before I got my this job, I had almost applied to 500 companies.
Tell it to audience.
Okay,
yes.
Then
it's fine because lot of things you are telling right now to each other also. So that's what I'm asking. Okay, fine. हाँ मैं पहले ये पूछना कि the kind of synergy you guys are having. तो ये synergy कब बना? Now we can see that there is so much of synergy between you. Although you are a bit different personality, आप अलग personality है, आप अलग है. Okay. So how this synergy actually?
I guess they both can elaborate better on this.
अच्छा.
So first of all, I used to have a different set of group in first year.
Okay.
And a very different set of group. Very different.
Okay. And normally first year is
so like
you must be in
I am
different
a common
divisions.
friend for both of them. First.
Yeah. So he used to be the one who used to be with him, and I had a separate group. Then I connected with him somehow. I don't remember also somehow. I guess we sat on the same bench that day.
Okay.
So that is why I got to know him, and then I got to know him. So eventually we all were together. So they were having a group of around, I guess,
8 people.
7, 8 people.
9 people.
9 people.
Like on first day we thought ki
This would be the group.
Like we have
Live
photo
group.
of
We'll die together type.
अच्छा मतलब कोई मूवी देखा था या कैसे थॉट कैसे आया आपके दिमाग में?
what was the scenario कि second day जब था जब orientation था कॉलेज का second day पे
First
we met. हाँ तो हम सब लोग बैठे थे साथ में जितने भी हम लोग थे
और वही ग्रुप बन गया.
हाँ तो वो हम we thought कि यार we can like नए दोस्त है तो we can create a group on that. और फिर हमने अभी तो नहीं है फिलहाल वो ग्रुप हम बात भी नहीं करते most
I guess from
4 remaining out of 9. 4 remaining.
I guess 1, 2, Bhavesh and
Kshitij.
4 people.
Nice. Okay.
So I connected him via him actually. So the synergy is, I don't know how.
Synergy is then our first year project.
Yes. Very good story for first year project. Very
First
brief
year
in
project.
Turuk. So the brief is first year project. We were all done.
Audience.
So the whole point of was ki let's make something which is hardware.
अच्छा.
For what reason?
Don't
No
know.
idea. Maybe I had just completed a course from IIT Bombay that time, from spoken tutorials about Arduinos and ESP32s and all those hardware, robotics, whatnot. So I was in that phase, and he used to be the software guy. I was like, ये भी कर लेते हैं, करके देख मजा आएगा. So we did that. We got into a project. We got a project. So apparently we were at one friend's place, and I forgot one resistor and one transistor. Two things.
Okay.
So for a work of 5 rupees, we went from Kasarwadi to Pimpri because it was a Tuesday. So we won't find anything there. So we went there. We were like, both of us.
Okay.
So on my bike we went. So apparently while coming back, there was a car crossed us. I got scared and there was dogs. We both fell while going there.
Like you are still yet to buy the resistors.
No, we bought it.
Okay, you
Then
bought
we
it.
were going back to his place.
Okay, fine.
And we got into an accident. And it was a horrible accident. Bike was trashed, his bone was out. and
So big.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we were like, so I picked up the bike, parked it. I saw him, he was like, okay. Then he went there, he sat, he felt water in his leg. So apparently it was all blood. So from that day we are good friends. So that is how we are good friends.
The most expensive resistor.
Yeah. So the most expensive resistor and a transistor.
Fine. Okay.
So one of that scenario, they went to a government hospital. So first of all, we rushed over there. I and another guy. They didn't even bandage him in the government hospital. Not complaining, but like it was a basic scenario. So we were on a napkin, his bone and a napkin, and so we went to a private hospital. And that, okay, after bone is set, this guy is playing games on his phone.
Yeah, so this is the story. So his leg is bleeding, his leg's middle finger bone is out. So he doesn't know what to do. He's in so much trauma that he's not able to process it, right?
And he's playing
so he just
games.
opened up his phone and he was playing Shadow Fight. So he was processing it by playing a game. And I was screaming. Because I was the one who was driving the vehicle.
Yeah.
So I was screaming, dude, what? What are you doing? So like, क्या करूँ भाई? अब क्या कर सकता हूँ? It was funny and painful.
Yeah.
You are youngest or you are elder at your home?
I'm single
child.
Single child.
Okay, fine.
Why this question?
Something came to my mind. Okay. Okay, fine.
So then we came to second year, and for God's luck, we are all in the same department.
Yeah. So we all are in the same department. So, it was
So
like
first year also you were in the same
classroom,
same
yeah.
class. Okay. Second year you are in the same department. AI.
And by God's luck, roll number 10, 11,
11,
12.
12.
Everything is together.
So in exam also we sit besides. Internal semester also we sit besides.
Okay.
Everywhere we are together.
Just one thing, cause of some backlog students, we are separated.
That
Okay.
works.
So it is like not planned, unplanned friendship.
Nice. Okay.
Totally.
So now I think we should talk about like all of you have grabbed placement, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
So yes, let's talk about that. Like how was that journey?
I will start.
Sir, go first.
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, everyone who is watching means currently to myself also, I will first, this is not a late start. Everyone is like most of the it is actually high, means like everyone feels it is a high time that we don't have, everyone is stressed about getting a job, getting in like in this economy. But first of all, we are thinking about having so much amount of money that people only had in the 30s, and we are just 22 right now. That this is a thought everyone has. So and like everyone is like gets like, I have got rejected, so what now? First of all, I have applied for more than 500 internships.
Okay. So this 500 internship, when did you apply? From first year or
Third year.
Okay, from third year.
Yeah.
I think this has to be highlighted because many they don't even apply. They keep on just saying there is no job, no opportunity. Applying 500 is really a very good number.
So while he was doing that, I was the one who was scared first. Ki how
अच्छा.
will I get internships? He was the one who pushed me कि apply तो कर, क्या है, पहचान के थोड़ी है, ना ही बोल देंगे तो तुझे क्या बुरा लगेगा?
Nice.
What relation do you have with them? If they approve, approved. Not approved, not approved. Give it a shot.
Right.
So my first internship was from UpToSkills. It was an unpaid internship. Like first of all, my thought was no, I will only go for paid. So out of that 500, almost 100 were like till I get to my line कि नहीं स्टार्ट किधर से तो करते हैं, शुरू छोटे से करेंगे. So my first internship, I got the position of a team lead in just 1 week.
Okay. Nice.
Just 1 week. So it was vice team lead. In fact, not has the older interns. They had a team lead position, and then a team lead position. So that was in third year. So and everyone was like, and I provided that its connection to all the college also. So first of all, then I had plans to apply for DRDO, ISRO, etc. But then I got to know one standard in the corporate is, unless you have connections, it is very difficult to get jobs. Cause everyone's resume is almost exactly the same projects,
Right.
the same statements, and the same stuff.
Because ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. Yeah.
Apparently, when you create your resume, when ChatGPT did not have a memory thing, so it used to give same projects to everyone. And I have myself seen in my college everybody creating same project for a seminar, more than 20 people creating the same project on a same dataset with the same code,
Okay.
similar code, not same, similar code.
So the one thing I would like to tell anyone, don't underestimate yourself until you get to an means like interview, because that is the only place where you can be different from everyone else. Unless you get an interview, everything first process is just paperwork and luck. And why I tell this, because I have myself taken interviews for many people in my current company.
Okay.
So let me tell you one thing. Almost everyone is at the same. Let it be for 1 year experience, 2 year experience, or 3 year experience. I've seen people with 3-year experience, they can't even write a simple code of how to reverse a string. Okay, how to reverse a string. Not anything difficult, but just the first question you get on a lead code. And the condition was, and it is not because they don't know how to write it. They are just stressed.
Yeah.
They are just stressed. And sometimes the interview, it is not always that you are wrong, but just like interview's mindset is something like, I went to an interview. The code was to write a priority queue. So I wrote 150 lines of code. It worked. And the first question that came to me was, why didn't you use the library? I literally used a linked list, complete basic set of data structures to create a priority queue, and that didn't matter because the person asked, why didn't I use the library?
Right, got it.
I have a vice versa experience. So when he was applying for internship, so he got into upskill. Then I was like, even I want to do it. Even I can do it, because at that time we actually had similar set of tech stacks. Okay. Now he's having much more because he's having a lot of experience apparently. But at that time we were working on around, so he was learning Rasa and I was also interested in Rasa. Like, okay, I'll do. Then he sent me a video of around 17 minutes. Just go through this, get the concepts of it. So I was like, okay, this is easy, we can do it. So when I got into interviews, so I gave around 16-17 interviews in 1 week.
Okay.
1 or 2 weeks around that span. So I used to daily sit for interview, morning mein ek, sham ko ek. I just started randomly pushing here and there. Then, so at that time I was also enrolled under your course of generative AI when I was learning CNNs. So that time I applied on a company. So in that company there was a role of CNN. So I was supposed to train a proper deep learning model and a transformer VIT model type. So I thought they won't ask DSA. So I went for the interview and they started asking me. So there were 3 rounds. First round got cleared, second round got cleared. In third round, there was a guy. I don't know what he was, but he was having so much amount of knowledge. I was not able to even consume that much. So he was asking that levels of questions. So I was able to answer basics of them. Then he dumped a DSA question on me. So I bluntly asked him, if I am having this role, then why are you asking me this? So he told me he honestly told me that these two things have no relation with each other, but this is a process of understanding your thinking capability or your critical thinking. So I was given a very easy task of printing I guess it was factorial number 1.
Okay.
So he wanted 4 methods. 4 methods to solve one problem. So I did 3 methods. For loop, there was one more with the function, and there was one more with a recursion function. The last one was while loop. But I was so tired that day, I was not able to get it. Just because of the logic of while loop, I got rejected.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
I asked that person on LinkedIn, why? Like, while loop. Okay, got it. Thanks.
Okay.
This is a vice versa experience. I used functions, I used libraries, I used recursion. I gave him the best optimal solution, but he's like, no, while loop. It's funny.
Okay. And what about you?
Like, once I went to an interview, there was a connection with I know a CTO, which is like in family. So he called me for if there were some openings in his company. So I went there, and then that time what happened, he told me whichever, he first asked my resume, he checked it out, and then further he told me about show me run, we had a project in our hackathon which we have done, and it was cybersecurity. So I was I don't remember which file to run that time, because it was
Django.
Django. And I he have built the backend and front end.
So he was an integration person.
Integration person only. So I was not knowing which file to run. I most of the hackathon we divide the work, and integration most of the part he does, because he knows better to integrate the. So I was not knowing which file to run. So I that time then he told me in an interview there is most probably they don't ask you something crazy, but whichever like in your resume whatever you put about it, we should know at least the base of it, like how your projects run and how it works. So if you are fumbling there only, then how would like we understand what you know and what you have done.
True.
So that was the scenario with me.
Okay, great.
So after his interview that day, we got a call from him.
अच्छा.
that as you हुआ कि कौन सी फाइल थी भाई, कौन सी फाइल रन करनी थी. So at that time we clicked कि we have to know what file is talking to what file.
Yeah.
First thing.
Yeah.
What file is responsible for what purpose, and you should keep your project as modular as possible. Three things, and it gave us an idea.
Let me point out this, especially he was there while listening when I was explaining the pattern. This guy, no, I want to do the extension part.
So apparently I used to be the one who used to be repulsive. I don't want to do this, let's do this.
So
Okay.
most of the conflicts between hackathon happen between them.
Us.
Yeah.
Because we think about the same thing, the goal is same, but the approach are very different. He will do it in some complex way. Let's do this system design and all whatnot. We'll integrate this Supabase, we'll integrate this. Like क्यों? SQLite है ना? उनको थोड़ी पता चलने वाला है तुम्हें क्या किया है?
Admin panel.
Admin panel. So recent hackathon, he told कि I want like he was working on admin panel. So he told कि इसके अंदर भी हम admin panel डालेंगे. इससे बहुत like impression गिरेगा.
So apparently
He was working on admin panel.
whatever projects I have worked on till now, since my last two companies and this company, in all three internships, apparently I don't know why, but they always end up giving me database ka काम. I don't know why. I mean, I am an engineer, but I get database ka काम most of it. So I get dump of Excel sheets, and they're like, dude, you want this on this dashboard. So now it is wired in my brain. Wherever you because admin panel is something which every system should have, is what I feel at this point. Because whatever you do, you should have some control over it.
That's true.
In a long time, in let's say 6 years down the line, you want to change something. How will you do it without a developer? You can't do it. If you have a dashboard, just the person can go there, हाँ ठीक है, edit solo हो गया. So I am wired like that now.
Nice. अभी हम ना इस पे आते हैं कि जैसे आपने 500 एप्लीकेशंस करे, आपने भी किए, तो मेजरली सबकी शिकायतें क्या होती हैं कि हम अप्लाई कहाँ करें, है ना? तो मे बी अभी हम आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे कि आपने अप्लाई कैसे करना स्टार्ट किया, आपको वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज कहाँ दिखाई दी. ओके, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज आई बिलीव वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई डोंट नो आपका आंसर क्या होगा, पर मुझे लगता है कि आंसर कुछ सिंपल ही होगा, ऐसे बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं होगा, ठीक है? बट आई थिंक दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट एवरीवन शुड नो.
So good. So for this, the first place where you can apply as a student, second year, third is AICTE का portal. So
Very good.
AICTE का portal is something where there are 70 to 80 scam companies,
अच्छा.
but there are 20 companies which are legit and actually legit. So we got up to skill from there. I got my first internship from there.
Nice.
So it was if you even get a internship in a very small company in a very small form factor, it's just a push ki I can do it. If you have that, what do we say, attitude of I can do it, ki हाँ ठीक है, I tried doing this, I was able to do it, so there is a feeling of achievement. So when you have that feeling of achievement, you always want it again. So that is where the cycle begins. So first of all, we went to AICTE platform. So AICTE, then LinkedIn. LinkedIn is 90% scam, even more than AICTE. But the 10% which is there is actually very legit. So recently, I applied in, I guess, some very good companies, Accenture, Wipro, etc., etc. So I got rejected apparently because they wanted experience of more than 5 years.
Okay.
Like let's see and apply. Let's try luck if it is possible. So LinkedIn is one. Then Indeed and Naukri.com are beautiful places, especially Naukri.com. So how I have got placed is a very very lucky scenario. So I have a resume in CNN and VIT. At that time I had. Now it is, I don't know. I also don't know what it is. So apparently I got a call from the company.
Okay.
We like your profile. Would you like to join? So I was working in one company where I used to love my work, but it was work from home.
Okay.
So it was an, what do you say, online remote internship. So apparently there was no bifurcation between a work life and a personal life. रात को 10 बजे भी मैं लेके बैठ जाता कि हाँ वो काम बचा था कर लेता हूँ. I used to sit 10:30, then I used to get scolded कि why are you working so late? So ऐसा तो I just left that company and दूसरे company में चला गया immediately. So these are the 4 major platforms: AICT, LinkedIn, then it is Indeed, then Naukri. Naukri is the best one, and there is something called a Superset also. Superset is what colleges give you.
Okay.
Internship is also good. But you have to apply. You have to apply rigorously because you don't know which company is actually true or which company is actually false. They just register.
Is that key? Like most of the time, what we do, we consider our resume and the job description of the company. So most of the time we don't apply because some libraries don't match or like they required MTech, MTech, and we have the BTech degree. So most of the people don't apply because of that. But you should apply. Like sometimes because of some scenario, maybe you get selected and you have an opportunity to give the interview.
The point I had put before interview, everything is just you have to apply. Everything is like, even if you luck, the way you stand out is the interview, not your resume. Okay, I will give a different approach from them. I feel the best way to land a job is meetup.com. Go to events.
Very
Find
good.
people.
Nice.
Find people. Talk to them. The mobile and digital things are just like they come, someone automates it, selects on resume, okay, you get a call. At the end of the thing is you get a call. So why not remove this process and directly go and, hey, do you have it's like let's connect. You have like talk to them. I had an event today, but unfortunately I couldn't go because I hadn't worked office. So in the past I went to events at least once Saturday or once twice a month. I had made such a guy. He is working in CK. Okay, he was like he can give me an opportunity. If he will give me an opportunity, I had to work with him for some events. So these are the chances you get. So now let me talk about that guy. He's just everything is same like us. So everyone knows which is the hackathon? India's hackathon.
Indians SH.
Smart India Hackathon.
Yeah.
So he was a participant in that and had a project which didn't got qualified for the finals. So that guy just directly approached the company which had put that project.
Okay.
And that project got selected and the whole round for the SIH finals was cancelled.
Okay, because his project was selected.
And that person didn't even got to the finalists. So this I am just putting this point to put that the digital part doesn't define you anything. It is 80% luck.
Nice. Yeah, so this is wonderful. Like most of the meetups are actually free, and a couple of meetups you might have to pay a very nominal amount. And I completely agree with this idea as well. Okay, so processes are made because they are meant to be made to make the things easy. But if you want to stand out, you can always go beyond the processes in this term at least. Great, nice. Okay, so let's now talk a little about. अभी हम आते हैं लर्निंग कर्व के ऊपर कि आपने किस चीज़ में एक्सपर्टीज जो है हासिल करी और अभी आप किस चीज़ में काम कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर लेट्स हैव अ यस
ओके तो मेरा इंटरेस्ट बोले तो मेरे को घूमने फिरने में इंटरेस्ट है but I didn't. They used to go out in first year, second year, but I was always like, नहीं मैं नहीं जाऊँ. It's like I am just a little मैं मेरा काम करता, I am fine with it. So
you're still like that.
Yeah, I'm still like that. That didn't change. So thing was, I got interested. My mother used to have an embroidery design, so I got my first piece at that time.
Okay.
I first got interested in game. Then obviously almost everyone plays. Then I had one of my reasons is my school had a computer club, which was very rare at that time, very rare. And I was like, let's go join it. And then I started running my one of, if I say who was the most important mentor in my life, was James ma'am. It's like my computer club head teacher.
Okay.
So from basic code to C++, HTML, everything, she taught me everything.
Okay, and this was in which standard?
5th.
So 5th standard.
5th standard.
Nice. 5th standard में मैं याद करूँ तो हम कंप्यूटर लैब में जाकर के बटन ऑन करना ऑफ करना हमें ये पेंट सिखाया जाता था 5th standard में.
And I am little headstrong guy. So my teacher used to like put me with the more senior students, but no, I have to go with friends. So like I had did this many times. Ki if I'm stuck on something, I will be stuck with it. Like even in like my family used to like go try for Air Force. Yeah, fight. I used to go to some naval academy, go try for Air Force. But no, I was like, I saw AI. I saw AI in 11 and like this is the path. I took a right turn. I just took a right turn and left everything. It was like in 11th and 12th, I didn't have any teacher for computers. Okay. So, but still, it was my highest subject, highest scoring subject. And first, okay, then let's say in start, I come to know Python in first year itself. And both of these guys were used to be like, how do you know something? So I was like, I have one thing in, it will even with the current AI era where you don't have to code. It's almost, we three both all have experience that we almost have touched code like 99%, only 1% of the whole code we write today. The main scenario is you should be able to understand how stuffs work. A software developer in a specific is not a coder. It is a person who solves problems. So if you learn that how to solve a problem, it is very easy to even land a job. Because at this point of interviews and everything, like what we guys know that you have a problem statement and you have to solve it. Everyone does go to ChatGPT. The first page is you shouldn't go to ChatGPT just to like how to do it. And with that how to, why, they're all 7 is why, what, when. Every question should be asked, not just how to do it. And based on that, then like one of the lectures I had gone to an event, he said what many people do wrong is that they also ask the ChatGPT to write the prompt itself. And biggest example. Okay, so let's say this is an interesting story about the hackathon, about the admin dashboard. Admin dashboard.
चुप हो जाओ प्लीज.
काम एक है, एक काम हुआ है. हमारे साहब ने ChatGPT को बोला कि हमको एडमिन पैनल बनाना है, हमको एक प्लान बना के दो.
एडमिन पैनल बनाने का.
हाँ.
ओके.
नहीं बताता हूँ.
बता दे.
So
हिंदी में बता.
दुनिया भर के टूल है हमारे पास. GitHub Copilot चल रहा है, भाई के पास क्लाउड कोड है, कोड एक सभी फोकट में दे रहा था, कोइन कोड तभी चल रहा था. 4 tools by the way. I am very smart. I tell you why. He was talking about you should always know why. So apparently ChatGPT doesn't know कि मेरे कोड के फोल्डर में क्या है. मैंने उसको बोला बना दे.
अच्छा.
तो मैंने उसको सिर्फ ऐसा मोटा बता दिया कि ये मेरा सिस्टम है. I could have just used GitHub Copilot. बाजू में उसके पास कोड है, उसके पास कोड कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, वो अंडरस्टैंड करके मुझे लिख के दे देगा प्रॉम्प्ट, जो मैं क्वेन को दे सकता हूँ, एंड इट विल प्रोसेस बिकॉज GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT are good in planning and analytics. So that LLM is good in analytics and Qwen code is like very logical. तो वो ढूंढ लेगा कोड में कहाँ क्या करना है. लेकिन ठीक है करते हैं. मैंने ChatGPT को बोला वही प्रॉम्प्ट उठा के दे दिया. तो I don't know what I was thinking. But जो एंड पॉइंट्स पहले से बने हुए थे API के, वो उसने फिर से बना दिए.
इसको 1 घंटा बैठ के सफाई करनी पड़ी है। क्यों किया, क्या किया, आई स्टिल डोंट नो, बट हुआ है।
सो वही बोला कि एटलीस्ट व्हाट वी शुड रिटेन इज द लॉजिकल पार्ट। एआई नोस व्हाट टू डू, उसको वो हमसे बहुत अच्छा कोड लिखता है। दैट इज नो गो, मींस लाइक लीविंग फ्यू पीपल, सो मींस बहुत ही करते, बट एआई आपने अच्छा ही बोलेगा कि एट द एंड इट इज अ पैटर्न मैचिंग। व्हाट इट कांट डू इज लाइक solutions are never patterns.
Correct.
If there is a problem and it can't be solved, there won't be any pattern for it.
True.
That is the part where software developers or even engineers come in.
Nice.
So if you learn how to solve a problem, you are a developer.
I guess you should have a different session with him where we and nobody is present, just him. That would be very nice.
Fine. Okay. This much is good enough. A couple of things from you.
Yeah, so basically my learning was at the starting till 12th I was not knowing, like I've never done coding.
Okay.
In my 12th standard I've chose like मैंने साइंस चूज किया था। फिर उसके बाद में हमको C++ वगैरह तब चालू हुआ था, सब्जेक्ट था कंप्यूटर का।
Okay.
तो उसके अंदर C++ और HTML तब सीखा था मैंने। उसके पहले कभी कुछ आइडिया नहीं था मेरे को। और उसके बाद में फिर लाइक आई गॉट द इंटरेस्ट कि हाँ अच्छा है, लाइक कुछ तो नया करने को मिल रहा है, सो समथिंग न्यू आई हैव ट्राइड इन टेक्निकल। फिर उसके बाद में जब लाइक फिर मैंने लाइक करियर ऑप्शन जब डिस्कवर करने थे, तब फिर मैंने सोचा कि इंजीनियरिंग तो मेरे को करनी नहीं थी तब। और फिर मैं सेकंड करियर ऑप्शन लाइक BCA चूज किया था, लेकिन फिर अपेरेंटली इंजीनियरिंग की।
Okay.
उसके बाद में तो लाइक फिर उसके बाद में लाइक स्टार्टिंग में फिर फर्स्ट ईयर में तो इतना कुछ हुआ नहीं। फर्स्ट सेम गया, सेकंड सेम तो घर पे ही था मैं, बिकॉज वो हमारा जो स्टोरी हुआ था सेकंड सेम में फुल घर पे था,
रेस्ट मिल गया था। Okay.
या सेकंड सेम घर पे ही था। फिर जब फोर्थ सेम लाइक सेकंड ईयर चालू हुआ तब हमको डीएसए की एक टीचर थी। सो लाइक तब लाइक मेरा जो क्लियरिटी था कोडिंग को लेके डीएसए, तब वो मैम ने रेशमा मैम करके मैम थी।
Okay.
उन्होंने जो क्लियरिटी तब डीएसए का दिया, तब जाके मेरे को चीजें और ज्यादा क्लियरली हुई, लाइक कैसे चीजें वर्क करती है और कैसे लाइक हमको लाइक एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में भी हेल्प हुई डीएसए सीखने से। तो फिर वो अपेरेंटली एक पुश था मेरा कि हाँ कि अभी मैं कर सकता हूँ वो पॉइंट पे। बिकॉज फर्स्ट ईयर तो फुल ब्लैंक था मैं, कि कुछ आइडिया नहीं था। फर्स्ट ईयर के कोई सब्जेक्ट्स थे वो नॉर्मल फिजिक्स वगैरह, केमिस्ट्री, यही सब सब्जेक्ट्स थे, कॉमन सब्जेक्ट्स थे। तो उसमें इतना कुछ लाइक मेरे को लग रहा था कि नहीं करना चाहिए था इंजीनियरिंग में। और फिर सेकेंड ईयर में रीजन मिल गया कि क्यों किया। तो फिर तब से लाइक फिर डीएसए वगैरह, फिर उसके बाद में इंटर्नशिप मिला था जिसके अंदर लाइक वेब एंगुलर सीखा था। तब फिर उन्होंने नहीं कॉलेज की तरफ से आई थी फर्स्ट, अपने को कंपनी का नाम नहीं है अपने को, बट लाइक कॉलेज की तरफ से ही हुआ था ना वो, जब तुमने उसके अंदर किया था तब उसके अंदर लाइक हो गया था। तो तब फिर उन्होंने एंगुलर और वो सब तक सिखाया था।
Okay.
फिर एंगुलर के बाद फिर सेकंड
ना
कुछ अलग ही थी इंटर्नशिप, याद नहीं आ रही।
4 महीने चालू कर देना।
हाँ, 4 से वो उसके अंदर फिर एंगुलर वगैरह, फिर उधर थोड़ा डेवलपमेंट वगैरह सीख लिया। फिर उसके आगे आके फिर हमने लाइक इन्फोसिस में, इन्होंने फर्स्ट ईयर में अप्लाई कर दिया था इसका। नहीं किया था इन्फोसिस,
मैंने नहीं किया था,
ऋतु ने किया था। हाँ, तो फिर वहाँ से मेरे को आइडिया लगा कि इन्फोसिस स्प्रिंग बोर्ड वो लोग भी लाइक 1-2 महीने के लिए तो फिर वहाँ पे फिर उसके पहले मेरे को कंप्यूटर विजन में इंटरेस्ट था। तो कंप्यूटर विजन के प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह किए थे। तो उसके बाद में इसके अंदर लाइक अपॉर्चुनिटी इंटर्नशिप में भी वही मिला कि उनका ही प्रोजेक्ट बनाना था। तो उसके अंदर भी लाइक ओपन विजर एक्सप्लोर वगैरह करता है और बहुत चीजें सीखने मिली वहाँ से। फिर अपेरेंटली फिर अभी लाइक जॉब वगैरह के लिए उस वजह से बहुत हेल्प हुआ।
Nice. तो कंसिस्टेंटली आप इंटर्नशिप्स करते रहे?
या कंसिस्टेंटली चालू हुई थी लाइक स्विच।
मैं यहाँ पूछूंगा कि ये केवल आपके लिए था या सभी कर रहे थे? ये सबके लिए था, बिकॉज देयर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, बट आई हैव नॉट सीन कि सब इतने एग्रेसिवली पहले एक इंटर्नशिप करी, वो खत्म हुई, तो दे टेंड टू टेक अ लॉन्ग ब्रेक। भाई इस सेमेस्टर का तो काम हो गया, अगर वो कंपलसरी था, और कंपलसरी नहीं हुआ तो करते भी नहीं है। तो was it you guys who were doing this way, or is it something that everyone was doing like this?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम तीनों का एक पॉइंट बताता हूँ, हम कंफर्ट जोन में नहीं रह सकते तीनों। स्पेशली मी, मेरे को इफ आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग, मीन्स लाइक कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आई गेट वेरी लेजी. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज, जो कॉलेज जो डिग्री सिखाता है, इट इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग, बट इट इज एक्चुअली अ कंफर्ट जोन. जो स्टेप आउट करते हैं, इंटर्नशिप करते हैं, वो दैट मेक्स थिंग्स डिफरेंट फॉर अस.
ओके, तो यानी कि यहाँ पे कंफर्ट जोन में रहने वाले जो हैं,
हाँ.
उनको बाद में डिस्कम्फर्ट होगा.
Yes.
Okay.
Also, I find that you are supposed to read. आपको पढ़ना होता है कि दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है. अगर आपने इंजीनियरिंग ली है, what is engineering? If I ask him what is engineering? Mostly लोग technical definition देते हैं कि engineering is a branch of this, branch of that. हाँ, ये branch होती है, CS होता है, AI होता है, mechanical होता है, bridge बनाएंगे. Very good. But what is engineering? What does engineering teach you? Problem solving and critical thinking at the core of it. 4 सेमेस्टर मैथमेटिक्स इसलिए ही सिखाते हैं कि आप जो है critical thinking सीख पाओ. That is the only cause of mathematics, unless and until you are in a branch of electronics और mechanical, जहाँ पे core mathematics लगता है, या फिर जैसे AI है, कोई अगर रिसर्च में है प्रॉपर, वहाँ पे मैथ्स लग रहा है आपको, where you create new models. नहीं तो नहीं लगती मैथ्स, honestly. So it's just कि क्या सिखा रहे हैं, क्या है, so you should read. कि हाँ इंजीनियरिंग ली है, what next? This what next question mark is something which is very important. You should be curious कि आगे क्या, ये तो कर लिया, चलो आज मैंने 3rd सेमेस्टर पास कर लिया, 4th सेमेस्टर के सब्जेक्ट क्या है, मुझे 4 आते हैं, 2 आते हैं, क्या आता है. You should be curious ना कि what is it. You should read. जैसे इंटरनेट पे जाना चाहिए कि क्या है इंजीनियरिंग के बाद लोग क्या करते हैं, इंजीनियरिंग में जॉब्स क्या है, क्या नहीं है, इंटर्नशिप क्यों है. Why do you get internship? I'll give you a very beautiful example here. Ki when I did my first internship, I used to be the most dumb of all 3. I had no idea what things are. I had no clue how things work. But the first internship, I mean in production grade or whenever you give a system to someone, कि कैसे होना चाहिए.
Right.
So apparently that is where you learn कि system कैसे बनता है. कि projects बनाना is a different thing and system देना is a different thing. It is also a project, but there is a lot of difference.
Right.
तो अगर 50 यूजर के लिए बना रहे हो और 5 लाख यूजर के लिए बना रहे हो, lot of things involved. So you should read, you should explore कि क्या है, क्यों है, ये सीखने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा. या तो if you are that smart, you can create a project and so and so. So that brings you under the branch of startup. फिर आप वो प्रोजेक्ट लेते हो, बिल्ड करते हो, then आप स्टार्टअप बनाते हो, then आप एंटरप्रेन्योर बनते हो, so and so. या फिर you should get into internships, you should learn projects, is what I feel. You should explore everywhere. इस बात है, पता नहीं क्या पसंद आ जाए. इंजीनियरिंग लेके भी लोग बहुत कुछ अलग करते हैं, कोई कहीं घुसा हुआ है, कोई कहीं घुसा हुआ है. सो इट्स जस्ट कि यू शुड ऑलवेज एक्सप्लोर एंड बी क्यूरियस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
नाइस. तो अभी आई थिंक तो एक बार इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं आप. ओके, इन वेरी ब्रीफ. ओके, इंट्रोड्यूस मीन्स आपका नाम बता दीजिए और प्रोबेबली किस एरिया में आप काम कर रहे हैं, एंड इफ यू कैन नेम दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी ऑल्सो. Okay, if that's not anything, okay, yes. So yes, Rushil, आप शुरू कर सकते हैं. Probably you can have a look at any of those cameras.
So my name is Rushil Dubey. I am 23, learning AI/ML engineering final year at ISBM College of Engineering. I have been placed in a company called eTosh, and I have a role of junior AI researcher there, where I'll be having multiple projects of RAG or LLM models, maybe database again, so and so.
Nice.
Sure.
Yeah. Myself, Tushar Niranjan Naima. I am from same 4th year from AI/ML branch. I got placed in Harbinger recently, and my joining will be on 1st July. So, and my role is trainee engineer for now.
Okay, I'm Prathamesh Sawan. It's like we are from the same college, as you all know. So my company, I don't even know what is the real name of my company right now. It was named Omnibridge Solutions. I work for Vincent Services, and also my company's product is called Nuvintech Software Developers. Okay, and while I am a junior AI developer, I still do full stack development. And also I'm a freelancer as well.
Great, nice.
Freelancer वाला पार्ट काट देना, कंपनी मगा देगी.
हमने ओके थोड़ा स्टडी से बाहर रहते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइम इसने जब मेरे को उसका ग्रुप पता है ना, हमने क्या करने गए थे, लंच पे गए थे एग्जाम्स के बाद वहाँ पे शिवाजी नगर। हम 6 लोग गए थे थानेर साइड से, ये अकेले के 8 लोग आए।
So it's a social animal of us three.
Like
बट खर्चा किसने किया, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट।
split होता है वो।
हमारे इसमें हमसे स्प्लिट ही होता है।
So if he is eating more, if I am eating more, anyone eating more, फिर split होता है।
Split होता है।
जो भी जितना भी हो सब में split हो जाएगा। तुमने कम खाया, तुम्हारी गलती।
जिसको जितना खाना है उतना प्रॉफिट।
तो इसमें वेज वालों को बहुत नुकसान होता है।
नहीं, whenever we go out together, we all eat veg.
अच्छा,
Most of the time
की to keep like क्या बोलते हैं, unified रखने के लिए।
यूनिफाइड।
Very rare we eat non-veg. Hardly we haven't eaten only, I guess. No, साथ में non-veg नहीं खाया हमने कभी।
मैं तो खाता ही नहीं हूँ। मैं तो साथ में कैसे खाऊंगा?
ये नहीं खाता इसलिए हम भी नहीं खाते कि ठीक है, let's accompany him। फिर ऐसे करते करते सब नहीं खाते। So he is the root cause of us not eating non-veg।
मैं ही रूट कॉज सबको मिलाने का हो गया।
क्या क्रेडिट लिए?
सो बेसिकली लाइक ऐसे मतलब जो हम मेरे साइड के लोग हैं तो कोई फ्रेंड्स मिले तो मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करवा देता हूँ सबको। तो जिधर भी लाइक फिर ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस करते करते फिर वो ग्रुप बड़ा हो जाता है, तो फिर जाने का रहता है तो सब लोगों को बुला सकते हैं।
एजेंट है हमारा ये।
तो आप सबसे कॉल करके कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं?
हाँ,
ये सबको एक ही साथ बुला लेता है, ये 25-25 लोग एक साथ बुला लेता है, फिर खुद परेशान हो जाता है कि अरे इतने लोग बुला लिया मैंने। वो SBI एजेंट जैसा ही हमारा।
Then you guys help him?
No, he only manages it.
अच्छा।
We are not that good with people, so many people.
Yes, yes. अभी हम समराइज कर देते हैं। It was nice. बहुत ही अब्रप्ट वे में स्टार्ट हुआ और शायद अब्रप्ट वे में ही एंड हो रहा है, बट नेचुरल था। एंड मुझे लगता है कि किसी को ज़्यादा बोर नहीं हुआ होगा। बोर हुआ होगा तो आप स्किप कर दो, हम कौन सा आपको कंपेल कर रहे हैं सुनने के लिए, है ना। बट हाँ, आई थिंक खासकर जो अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में आए हैं, सेकेंड ईयर में है, थर्ड ईयर में है, इनफैक्ट फाइनल ईयर में है, तो आई बिलीव ये जो बहुत ही लाइट वे में हमने बातचीत करी है, इसमें से आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएगी। पकड़ना है उसे आप पकड़ सकते हो, नहीं तो मुझे अच्छी बात लगी कि दोस्त वैसे होते हैं, या तो बहुत ऊपर उठा देंगे या तो नीचे, दोनों में मज़ा आएगा। तो आपको कौन सा वाला मज़ा चाहिए, दैट यू डिसाइड बेसिकली।
बात दबा देंगे,
ठीक है।